Samhain or Halloween is a sacred time of the year where the veils between the worlds are the thinnest, and you can connect with your ancestors and do some ancestral healing or just honoring your ancestors. Today, I'm going to show you a ritual that you can do for Samhain that connects you to the Sabbath energy of Halloween, as well as connecting to your ancestors to do some ancestral healing and clearing so that you can clear your energy and make sure that it doesn't keep going on from generation to generation to generation. My name is Sandra. I've been helping witches now connect to their inner witch and create a witchcraft practice for over 35 years. I'm the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path, and I help witches who are struggling to start a practice integrate magic into their life on a daily basis with ease. And today I am partnering with Otter Spirit, who are the makers of these beautiful gemstone bracelets. These are the mini gemstone packs. I have done videos before on the bigger bracelets. These are great for wearing for ritual because they're not too bulky and they don't get in the way. They have a Samhain or Halloween pack. So these bracelets have been selected especially for Halloween. So if you want some Halloween jewelry to wear to parties or for your rituals, then this Halloween pack from Otter Spirit is a great way to go. Now, the bracelets that are involved in the pack of 3 are Orange Aventurine. This is for joy, for courage, for success, and for all of those wonderful bright things. It does resonate too with the sacral chakra. Then there is here the leopard skin jasper. This is for courage and confidence, and it resonates with the root chakra. And then for the heart chakra, we have Unakite, which helps with emotional healing and also emotional balance. Beautiful gemstones to work with in the Halloween season. Now, all of Otter Spirit's gemstones are AA or AAA grade gemstones. For every product they sell, they give $1 of that product to Saving the Otters in Monterey Bay. When you get your jewelry, you'll receive it in this beautiful box, and you also have a card here that actually tells you a bit about the gemstones and what they're good for, as well as a pouch to put them in. Now, I'm just going to be wearing my gemstone bracelets in the ritual today. I'm not going to be charging them up or anything like that. Already have done that. So you could charge your bracelets up before the ritual and wear them for your ritual, or charge them up in the ritual and have them as your special Samhain jewelry pack. Now, speaking of jewelry packs, if you're wanting wonderful spell bracelets that you can wear as talismans, Otter Spirit are excellent for that because they have intention packs that cover things like love, money, protection, anxiety, all that kind of stuff. So you just go through their catalog, and there's a link in the description field below this video. So just click on that and it will take you to their website, and you can find all of their intention packs and all of their jewelry that resonates with whatever your magic is wanting to resonate with. So you can use these as talismans as well. And I've done other videos where I've shown you how you can use them and charge them up as talismans. And yes, I do get a commission for every sale of these. So yeah, go for it. Also, if you are new to the craft and you want to know where to start, and maybe Samhain isn't the place to start for you, or maybe you're just overwhelmed because, oh, there's a Sabbath coming up and it's one of the big witchy ones like Samhain, and I really want to start my witchcraft practice, but I just don't know what to do have a look at my free masterclass, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. It'll tell you where to start and how to pace yourself along the way over a course of 12 months so that you're not trying to learn everything at once. You're starting with what you need to start with and then building on that over time. Link in the description field below this video. You can also find it on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. Now, in this ritual, we're going to be using a black candle. If you want to use an altar candle, I do recommend orange because orange is the color of Samhain and it's also the color of Hecate. We're going to be working with Hecate today. She is the goddess of the underworld, the goddess of magic and witchcraft, and the perfect deity to work with during Halloween. In the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy course, we do work with her in the Halloween season, and that whole time is dedicated to working with Hecate. We're also going to be connecting to the ancestors in this ritual as well and doing a little bit of ancestral healing along with that. So let's jump over to doing the rite. Now on my altar, I have the black candle. I also have Halloween decorations, that small thing that I could fit on my altar. I've got a statue of Hecate. I also have a little mini altar actually to my grandmother and my tongs, and on this piece of paper I've written down some of the ancestral patterns and programs that I'm wanting to release, such as the patterns of low self-esteem and low self-worth, which have been carried on in my family from generation to generation to generation. And I want to heal that. So the first thing you do, of course, is cleanse and consecrate your space, either by setting up a circle or just projecting a circle of light around your space. When I do a circle of light, I project it from my heart energy and just allow that heart energy to grow and grow and grow and grow till it covers myself like a cocoon, and then I spread that out around me, around my altar. And then when you're ready to start, begin by invoking Hecate. I call upon Hecate, guarding over the crossroads and the guide of the unseen, to be present in this ritual, illuminate my path and support this ancestral healing. And then I invite my ancestors. I honor you, my ancestors, and I invite your guidance, healing, and wisdom into my life. I invite my ancestors only, and with the blessings of Hecate and the safety of Hecate, my ancestors invited only, and only the ancestors that I wish to invite. And today, that is my grandmother. And then look at a photo of your ancestor. I've got a photo of my grandmother here for a while and try to connect with the energy of your grandmother. You can imagine she's standing there right next to Hecate, and just focus on your ancestry, how you've known your family, what you've known about them, maybe some of the trials and tribulations of your family, maybe some of the things you've had to work on or heal within yourself, family trauma, for example, and just resolve to let all of that go and heal it. Let it go, let it go, let it go, because you don't want to be holding on to it. You need to let it go and heal it. So it's great to write down the things you're wanting to let go of. If it's ancestral trauma, then write down what that ancestral trauma is. And then when you're ready, it's time to do the rite of banishing that trauma or that ancestral pattern or programs or whatever it is. Light the black candle. Focus on the flame and know that the healing that you're doing is healing not only of yourself, but also of your ancestors as well. And as my grandmother and Hecate is my witness, it's now time to banish what no longer serves my family and what no longer serves me. Roll the paper away from you. And then burn it. I banish all patterns. I banish all vows, contracts and agreements, curses, spells and binds, belonging to my family, belonging to my ancestors that have gone down the familial line. Be gone, be gone, be gone. Oh, Hecate, bring healing to my ancestral line. Bring healing to those who are still alive on this planet. Bring healing to those who have passed. Oh, Hecate. Oh, Hecate. Oh, Hecate. And just watch the smoke taking all of that energy, the trauma, the patterns, the programs away, away, away. Now you can let the black candle burn down if you wish, but it's not so necessary because it's not actually a candle spell. It's actually a petition spell. So you can just snuff that candle out and even use it again for a petition lighting candle. You can let the flame for your ancestors burn for the whole duration of Samhain if it's safe to let the candle keep burning. Thank Hecate and your ancestors before you leave though. So I thank you, Hecate, and I thank you, Grandma, for your presence and your blessings. Blessed be. Now, if you're wanting to connect with your inner witch and step into that transformative energy of witchcraft, where you're casting spells, you're doing rituals, connecting to the deities like Hecate and others, learning how to cast circles, as well as using magic to help you find more joy, peace, and empowerment in your life. And I do invite you to join the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy, where over a 12-month period, every month you get new exercises to do to empower you as a witch, to increase your magical ability and your knowledge of the craft. You have me as your mentor, and you also have a community of like-minded people. We get together once a month over Zoom to celebrate the new moon and to also do some guided meditations to help you step more and more into your magical self every month. You also get the bonus course, A Witch's Guide to Magic, which has over 100 spells in it on subjects such as love and romance, money and prosperity, healing and defense magic, wellness magic, and protection magic. That's the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. Link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Blessed be.